Okay, the yard is complete. It is a little after 12. It is getting toasty out. I am going to put the seatbelt on. Let's see how it works when it's warm. Still in first from before. Clutch is all the way in. Reverse there went in after a click. It didn't hang like it was doing this morning, which is interesting. The only difference is a few hours later, a little bit warmer. The best I can tell. I'm backing out actually with the clutch in because if I let go in reverse, the car just goes too fast. I'll back down the street a little bit just to get it going. All right, so clutch is in. Going to shift into first, and there went in after a brief click, but not too bad. But it did hang up on what felt like the left-hand side of the shifter fork as I went into first. So we're back up the driveway here again. Clutch is in, clutch is out. We're in neutral. Now we're going into first, and there it went in only after a kunk. Second, you could hear that too. And then third, see, I'm pushing there. Now it went in. So it was hanging up very clearly on third, and it took a good bit of effort to get it in. Fourth went in after a click, and then fifth, I had to let up the clutch to get fifth in. So you can see that's fairly consistent. Almost every time I've been in the car has not been shifting correctly. Clutch out, clutch back in first, second, third went in just fine, fourth went in with a little click, and fifth went in fine. So look, see now, no, third, there it hung and the car stalled when I went to let out. Third, yeah, can't tell whether it's in or not. First, second, third, fine that time. Fourth is kind of weird there. Fifth, fine. So it's not consistent, and it seems to be something related, I'm guessing, to the shifter fork that's going on here. It's very inconsistent as far as how it shifts. All right, end video.